Hello everyone, this is Narayana Sarma. I had qualified for UPSC Civil Services Personality Test 2020. I was fortunate enough to find the right guidance for personality test at IAS Brains. In fact, the team at IAS Brains, they were continuously engaging and supporting me throughout for more than 2 months despite the COVID pandemic. And ma'am and sir, they sat with me for various sessions and ensured that I perfected the DAF details and kept in tune with the latest current affairs, and they helped me improve in the areas of improvement and also strengthened my positives, and all this guidance helped me perform very well than the previous time in the final UPSC Civil Services interview. I would like to thank the entire team of IAS Brains. Thank you very much, and I wish them successful endeavors in the future as well. Hope you all stay safe. Thank you.